Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about very important topic that no one is coming to save you have to build your own empire. Yes, is it true? Let me explain you in detail. Are you waiting for something? Like waiting for life to get better? Or waiting for someone to notice your struggle? Otherwise waiting for the right time, the right plan, or the right opportunity? But let me tell you something no one told you till now. No one is coming to save you. I am saying once again, listen. No one is coming to save you. And that is not a reason to feel fear now. That is your reason to finally feel free. One day, Ramesh was feeling very sad. He was not happy with his life. There were no good opportunities. And he felt like he was not growing. Everything felt stuck. He wanted to change, but he didn't know what to do and how to do. So, he has decided to visit the wise master who lived in a peaceful monastery. Ramesh walked a long way and finally reached the monastery. The place was quiet and calm. The master was sitting under a big tree. His eyes were closed, and he was meditating. The wind was gentle, and the leaves were making a soft sound. Ramesh stood there for a moment. He didn't know if he should speak or wait. Then, the master slowly opened his eyes and looked at Ramesh with a kind smile. Master called the Ramesh and asked, "Tell me what is troubling to you." Ramesh told the master, "Why does it feel like I'm stuck in the same place, no matter how much I try? I am not getting success." Monk deeply understood and said to Ramesh, "Ramesh, listens to me. You are still waiting for someone to help, for someone to give you permission to live your own life. That is not correct, right? You don't have to wait for someone to come and help you, because you are a sole responsible for your own life." So, my dear friends, in this video, the monk will not just give the answers. He will give you a mirror. You will discover why self-confidence is your superpower, why fear, failure, and loneliness are part of building greatness, and how every empire ever built started with one silent decision. So stay with me. This may be the video that ends your waiting and begins your real life. Brick, no one is coming, but no one can stop you either. Let's begin now. Ramesh asked the master, "Why does life feel so hard sometimes?" Monk said, "Life is not meant to be easy, my child. It is meant to teach you, to sharpen you, and to prepare you for greater things." Ramesh, "But I have been struggling a lot lately. Everything feels heavy." Monk, "I understand. You have faced many challenges already, haven't you?" Ramesh, "Yes, I have. And I keep asking myself why this keeps happening." Monk, "Because every hardship is a tool shaping your strength. It's part of your journey. When you look back, you'll see how far you have come." Ramesh, "I guess I never thought of it like that. I was hoping life would get easier by now." Monk, "Many people used to think that way, too. But life doesn't promise ease. It offers growth." Ramesh, "Then what should I do?" Monk, "Understand this. If you expected comfort, you might have suffered even more. But because you have expected challenge, you will evolve." Ramesh, "Will I always feel pain?" Monk, "Pain will have faded by the time your wisdom shines. You'll see, pain was your teacher." Ramesh, "So, someday I'll be stronger than now?" Monk, "Yes. One day, you will be standing tall, unshaken by storms, and you'll remember how you had doubted yourself before you bloomed." Ramesh, "I hope so." Monk, "Don't just hope. Prepare. Someday, you are going to tell someone else the same lesson I've told you. Diamonds are made under pressure, not in comfort." Ramesh, "What if no one helps me? What if I feel completely alone?" Monk, "Aloneness is a hidden gift. When no one is around, you meet your truest self. You learn to depend on your own hands, your own heart, and your own mind. And once you discover that strength within you, no one can ever take it away. No one is coming, but you are more than enough." Ramesh, "How can I start building my dream? I feel stuck." Monk, "You start with what you have. Don't wait for the perfect day, the perfect plan, or the perfect moment. Start small. Start uncertain. Just start now. One action brings clarity. One habit builds your dream. Even the powerful river begins with a single drop. Don't wait for the light. Be the spark." Ramesh, "What if I fail? What if I waste my efforts?" Monk, "Failure is not the end. It's feedback. It shows you what didn't work, so you can improve what does. Even the greatest builders of kingdoms failed, but they didn't stop. And that's exactly why they succeeded. Fail forward, fall strong, rise wiser." Ramesh, "Why does everyone else seem faster and more successful than me?" Monk, "You're looking at their results, not their journey. You don't see the late nights, the struggles, the pain they've been through. Every flower blooms in its own season. Your time will come if you keep watering your seed. The sun and the moon both shine, just not at the same time. Master, how do I stay focused in this noisy world? Monk, you protect your focus like a sacred flame. Limit distractions. Respect your time. Discipline is the door to freedom. Each day, give yourself the gift of silence and purpose. A distracted mind builds nothing. A focused one builds empires. Ramesh, when will I know I have built my empire? Monk, you'll know when you wake up with peace. Not because everything is perfect, but because you created it with love, discipline, and vision. It's not about luxury, it's about alignment. Success is not a moment. It's a mindset you carry every day. Ramesh, what if I keep doubting myself? Monk, doubt is the voice of fear. Don't fight it with thoughts, fight it with action. Do one hard thing every day. The more you move, the quieter the doubt becomes. You don't overcome fear by thinking. You overcome it by moving. What if I keep comparing myself with others? Monk, comparison is a thief. It robs your joy, your focus, and your journey. Your path is sacred. No one else walks it. Stay in your lane. Let others inspire, not distract. The seed does not compete with the flower, it just grows. Ramesh, what should I remember every day while building my life? Monk, remember, you are not powerless. You are the builder, the leader, the fire. You don't need applause. You need consistency. You don't need luck. You need effort. The hero you're waiting for is already within you. Monk, child, you now know the truth. No one is coming. No one can save you. But you don't need a liberator. You need a mission, a mindset, a mirror. Look in that mirror each day and say, I am building my empire. Brick by brick, thought by thought, step by step. Go now and walk your path with courage. Build your own empire. No one is coming to save you. Not your parents, not your teachers, not your boss, not luck, not time. If you're waiting for a perfect moment, it will never arrive. If you're waiting for permission, no one's giving it. But here's the gift hidden in the pain. You don't need to be saved. You need to awaken. You already have the strength. You already have the power. You already have the wisdom. It's just been buried under fear, doubt, and distraction. The monk reminded us that your empire will not be built overnight. It will not be built in comfort. It will be built in silence, in effort, in failure, in solitude. But it will be built if you keep showing up. Each brick of discipline, each moment of self-reflection, each step you take, even with fear in your heart. That's how legacies are made. You must remember, don't wait. Start now. Don't compare. Focus now. Don't fear the failure. Learn from it. Don't seek motivation. Create momentum every day. Don't hope someone will fix your life. Be the one who does it. You were not born to be average. You were not born to repeat someone else's script. You were born to build, to create, to lead. Even if your hands shake, even if your voice vibrations, no one is coming to save you. But no one can stop you either. You are the builder of your empire. Start today. Hello, friends. If this story touched your heart or gave you a new perspective, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel SNJ Creativity for more inspiring content every week. Together, let's grow, evolve, and shine brighter.